Most people think simple strategies don't work anymore. But what if one of the oldest indicators in trading still works? I tested a basic golden cross strategy across multiple timeframes, multiple coins, and over 6 years of data. And one specific setup completely outperformed everything else. Most traders either overcomplicate their strategy, but in reality, markets often reward consistency and structure, not complexity. So instead of building something fancy, I went back to basics. This strategy is built around one concept, the golden cross. When a shorter moving average crosses above a longer one, it signals a potential trend reversal to the upside. In this case, fast MA, 50-period SMA. Slow MA, 200-period SMA. Entry is simple. When the 50 crosses above the 200, we enter. Exit is just as simple. When the 50 crosses back below the 200, we exit. No RSI, no MACD, no prediction, just trend following. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of guessing a stop loss, I kept it simple and used a fixed stop loss. But here's the key. I optimized the value. I tested a range between 5% to 20%, and the best performing result landed at 8%. This means the system cuts losses at a consistent level while still giving trends enough room to develop. To test this properly, I used Freqtrade for backtesting. Here's the exact setup. Exchange, Binance Spot. Pairs, BTC, ETH, SOL, BNB. Basically large cap, high liquidity assets. Time range, from May 2020 to March 2026. Max open trades, 8 positions. And most importantly, I tested a range of time frames, from 1 hour all the way up to 12-hour charts. Let's start with the 1-hour chart. It generated over 2,800% total profit, which sounds great at first. Buy and hold during the same period returned about 1,643%. But here's the problem. It executed 1,241 trades. More trades means more fees, more slippage, and more noise. And the max drawdown was 36%. That's not easy to sit through. Now moving to the 2-hour time frame. Profit was still strong, around 2,400%. Trades dropped to 593, almost half. Drawdown improved to about 25%. So yes, it's more efficient, but still not optimal. Now here's where things change. The 4-hour chart. This setup achieved over 6,200% total profit with only 287 trades and just 14% drawdown. Let that sink in. More profit, fewer trades, lower risk. Higher time frames like 4-hour filter out noise, capture real trends, and reduce unnecessary entries. Now beyond 4 hours, I also tested 6 hours, 8 hours, and 12 hours, but performance started to drop. Why? Because signals become too slow. You enter trends too late and give back more profit before exiting. So there's a balance. Too fast is noisy, too slow is delayed, and 4 hours sits right in the middle. This is the sweet spot, where signal quality and execution frequency are perfectly balanced. And this makes sense. The Golden Cross is a trend-following strategy, and trends don't really exist in noisy short-term charts. If you want to test this yourself, I've made the full strategy code available. You can download it in the description below. But let's be clear, this strategy is not perfect. It has drawdowns, losing streaks, and periods of sideways performance. And because it's trend following, it performs best in bull or trending markets. If you want to improve this further, you could add volume filters, combine with higher time frame confirmation. But even in its simplest form, it already works surprisingly well. If you're serious about building trading strategies, I also have a full Freqtrade course where I break down everything step by step, from zero to fully automated systems. If you're interested, the link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future strategy breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.